Welcome back to Automotive Explorer. Today we're diving into something that could redefine urban mobility in India and other developing countries. The all-new 2025 Suzuki Electric Auto Rickshaw. Suzuki has officially unveiled its much-anticipated electric rickshaw model, signaling a bold step into the sustainable three-wheeler market. Designed with urban transport, last-mile delivery, and shared mobility in mind, this new rickshaw isn't just a conversion of an old petrol model. It's built ground up on an electric-first platform. Visually, the 2025 Suzuki Electric Auto Rickshaw maintains the familiar compact body shape but introduces modern touches. Sleek LED headlamps, a revamped front fascia with a minimal grille design, and dual-tone paint options give it a premium, futuristic feel. The body is more aerodynamic than traditional rickshaws, which not only improves range but also reduces drag in congested city traffic. Step inside, and you'll find a much improved cabin experience. The driver cockpit includes a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, range, battery health, and navigation support. Suzuki has added a USB charging port, weatherproof seating, and better legroom, all intended to enhance comfort for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, figuratively speaking, the Suzuki e-rickshaw is powered by a 7.5 kilowatts electric motor coupled with a 10.2 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. On a full charge, it offers a real-world range of approximately 120 kilometers, which is ideal for daily intracity commutes and short-distance cargo runs. Fast charging capability means it can charge up to 80% in just under an hour, while a regular home socket charge takes about 4 to 5 hours. Suzuki also claims that the electric drivetrain is nearly maintenance-free compared to conventional ICE-based rickshaws. That could drastically reduce running costs for owners and fleet operators. Add to that the benefit of zero tailpipe emissions, and it becomes clear that Suzuki is positioning this model as a game-changer for eco-conscious transportation. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The e-rickshaw is equipped with a reinforced chassis, hydraulic brakes on all three wheels, and a new auto-lock parking system to prevent rollbacks on inclined roads. There's even an inbuilt SOS button for emergencies, connected to Suzuki's new fleet management platform. What makes this release even more interesting is Suzuki's strategy. The company plans to roll out the electric rickshaw first in select metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru, followed by Tier 2 markets. With attractive government subsidies and EV incentives, the expected price is in the range of 2 rupees and 5 paise to 3 lakh rupees, depending on the variant and battery configuration. And yes, speaking of variants, Suzuki will be offering both a passenger version and a dedicated cargo version with a flatbed at the back. The cargo model has already caught the attention of e-commerce and logistics companies for its low-cost and efficient delivery capability. Suzuki also revealed that they've partnered with multiple charging infrastructure firms to install fast charging stations across key transport hubs. This will allow rickshaw drivers to stay on the road longer without worrying about charging downtime. In summary, the 2025 Suzuki Electric Auto Rickshaw is more than just another EV. It's a sign of how the future of urban transport in India is shifting towards clean, smart, and cost-effective solutions. With advanced features, solid range, and Suzuki's trusted brand name behind it, this electric rickshaw is definitely worth watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Automotive Explorer for more updates on futuristic mobility, EV launches, and everything that moves on wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.